بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. My dear student, greeting to you all. Today, inshallah, we will carry on with our English language curriculum. As for today, we will start our wonderful enrichment activities. As you can see, these are the activities for the second year. These activities targeted the information that we already have or perhaps add more information. So let's start Bismillah. By the end of the lesson, inshallah, we will practice spelling. Practice spelling some words. So we will have some words and we will practice spell these words. We will practice writing. So for this section, make sure you have your notebooks and some pencils. Also, we'll be able to identify different nouns. Different nouns. So let's start. We will read together. As I'm reading, I need you to repeat the words, the letters, the sounds with me. Also, we will write. So for this section, make sure you have a piece of paper, your books, your notebooks right next to you. Let's start with the spelling section. What do I mean by spelling, my dear students? Okay, as you can see here, the boy is holding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different letters. When I put these letters together, they form the word words. Okay, I have W, I have O, I have R, D, and S. When I put them together, they make or they form the word words. Okay, so let's spell W, O, R, D, and S. Okay, let's do the same with different letters. As you can see, let's try to spell it out. I try to help you here by giving you a number. So I have letter R, U, O, and F. Okay, I just spelled the letters for you. Let's try to form a word. What do you think, my dear student? Which word we can form out of these letters? R, O, U, and F. Very good, excellent. It is 4. The word is 4. Let's spell the word F, O, U, R, 4. Excellent. Let's move to another example. I have L, I, R, G. I just spell the words for you. Okay? Out of these letters, let's try to form a word. What do you think? I have a picture here. The word is girl. Very good. Girl. Let's try to spell it together. G, I, R, L. Girl. Very good, my dear student. Let's have another example. This is an easy one. I know you can get it. I have K, B, O, S, O. So I have double O. What do you think? What's the word? I have a picture here. The word is books. Very good, books. Let's spell it out. B, double O, K, S, books. Very good, excellent. Now, let's try to introduce the vowels. Vowels are 5 unique letters in our English alphabet. They are A, E, I, O, and U. Okay? These are uniques. Now, here, my dear student, I have some letters. I need your help. Try to point at the vowels here. As you can see, I have K, I have V, I have F, U, S, O, W. I will give you 10 seconds. Try to identify the vowels here. Point at the vowels. Okay, so let's start. Is U a vowel, my dear student? Is it a vowel? It is definitely a vowel, so we will circle U. Okay, what else? Is S a vowel? Is it a vowel? Actually, it's not. It's a consonant. How about I? Is it a vowel? It's definitely a vowel. Very good. What else? I have 3 more vowels. 3 more vowels. How about H? Is it a vowel? It's not, so let's skip. How about D? W, A. A is definitely the vowel. Very good. Now I have 2 vowels remaining here. I have O and I have E. Very good. These are the vowels that we have. Let's read the vowels one more time. E, U, I, O, and E and A. These are the vowels that we have here. Very good, my dear student. Now, try to complete with the correct vowel. Okay? So I have A, E, I, O, and U. Okay? Starting with the first one. What do you think, my dear student? I have a picture for you. The word is apple. The word is apple. So which vowel are you going to pick? Are you going to pick A, E, I, O, or U? Very good. I have apple. Very good. And A. Very good. Next one, I have the word sit. Sit. Very good. Sit down. It's an I. Very good. Next, I have a dog. Dog. And O. Very good, my dear student. Next one I have is a bench. It's an E. Very good. Next one I have a van. A van. Very good. I have an A. Last one, I have a bus. Bus. I have a U. Excellent. Very good, my dear students. So here we completed all the words we have with the correct vowel. Now, I don't only have vowels, I also have consonant letters. In the top, I have vowels letters that are A, E, I, O, and U. Below, I have all the consonants, okay? The consonants letters such as B, C, D, F, G, and H. All the remaining letters except of the 5 letters above are considered to be consonants, okay? Now, here let's try to complete with the correct letter. It could be a vowel as an A, or it could be consonants as B or C, okay? For example, let's start with the first picture. What do you think? It's a car. It is a car. Very good. Excellent. A car. Next one. What do you think? It is a cab. Another C. Very good. Cab. Next, I have ant. I have ant. A. Very good. Excellent. Next, I have a cup. C. Very good. Next one, I have, what do you think it is? It's a bag. Very good. It's a bag. Very good. Next one I have is a ball. A ball. Very good. Next line or next column, I have an arrow. A. Very good. I have a green book. Very good. Book. And the last one here, I have a cat. iCat. Very good, my dear student. Excellent. Now, I will be naming the item here or the animal. You will help me to identify the first letter you hear. So, try to listen carefully. The first one here, I have a cow. A cow. What do you think? Shall we circle letter G, C, or R, my dear student? A cow starts with a C. Very good. It starts with a C. Moving to the next picture, I have a fish. Shall we circle T, S, or F? Fish. Very good. We will circle the F. Very good. Last picture here, I have a kite. Kite. So what do you think? Which letter we will circle? Is it letter M, K, or D? What do you think? We will circle definitely K, kite. Very good. So I have a cow, fish, kite. How about here? Let's start with the first one on the top left. I have a camel. Camel. So, which letter you will pick? M, C, or P? What do you think? Camel starts with a C. Very good. Next one I have a boat. A boat. So what do you think? Are we going to circle B, C, or M? Sorry, it's the second picture. So, submarine. What do you think? Are we going to circle F, S, or W? Starting with A and an S. Very good. Submarine. Now, third item, I have a bike. Bike. What do you think? Shall we circle L, P, or B? Bike. Bike starts with a B. Very good. Starts with a B. Now let's go to the next line. I have a boat. A boat. Boat starts with a B. Very good. Very good. Next one. What do you think? I have a balloon. A balloon starts with a B. Very good. Very good. The last picture here, I have a motorbike. A motorbike starts with, what do you think? Shall we pick M, Z, or D? A motorbike starts with an M. Very good, my dear student. Now, for this one, I need you to read the letters, the word, sorry, but I need to add one letter here. I will add a vowel. That will make a huge difference. For example, I will simply add E to all the spaces here. Okay? After I add an E, we will try to read together. We will start with these two words. Okay? The first word is hop. Okay? So I have a vowel, O, but it is short vowel, hop. Second one is hope, O. Here I have a long O. Let's read again. Hop, hope. Now let's go to these two. First one is nut. Nut, short O. Note, O, long vowel, long sound. Very good, my dear student. Let's go to the other part. I have a cup. Cup, short sound. Cube, U, long vowel. Very good. Let's go to the last part. I have cut, as in cup. So try to read the other word. Cup, cube, cut, cute. Very good. So I have a short vowel and a long vowel. Very good, my dear student. Now, for the writing section, I need you to have your paper or any notebook right next to you and start writing with me. As you can see here, trace and write. Let me pick a different color. Try to write between the specific lines, okay? Pay attention to the lines and let's start. As you can see here, we will write the word cat. Cat, okay? Let's copy it now. Now make sure you are writing between the specific line, okay? Now let's go to the next word. I have the word dog. Dog. Make sure you are writing between the specific lines. Let's copy it one more time. Very good, my dear student. Moving to the next word, I have the word hat. An H, A, and then T. Hat. Let's copy it one more time. Hat. Very good. Next word, I have the word boy. Boy. Make sure you are writing between the specific lines. Last word I have is sit. Very good, my dear student. Now, we copy and we trace a word. Now we are going to trace a whole sentence. Let's start with the first one. For the first one, I have the fish is blue. Okay, let's try to trace the last word. The last word is blue. Okay, the fish is blue. Now, second one, The bear is brown. Let's trace that one. While I'm writing, I need you to do the same in your notebook. The bear is brown. Okay, make sure you are writing correctly and please copy it several times. Okay, the last animal the hippo is gray. Make sure you are copying these sentences several times, or you can just open your books and pick any words or any sentences you have. Now let's do the same. As you can see, I have read it, trace it, and then write it. Let's start by reading all the words, okay? Left, next, lest, song, stop, while, okay? Let's start by tracing. Left, next, lest, song, stop, and while. Okay, now let's write it. Write the words. Left, next, lest, song, stop, and while. So make sure you practice writing from time to time. Now, nouns. What do I mean by nouns? Now I'll be giving you several examples about nouns. As you can see here, I know you can name some of these items. As you can see, I have an apple, a book, a door, a bag. All these, we call them in our English language things, okay? But they are nouns. How about, I have an engineer, a nurse, a farmer, a waiter. They are people, right? Again, we are naming nouns. Here I have a cat, a fish. I have animals. I have animals. Very good. Now I have a school, a factory, a hospital. These are places. These are places. So all these categories are considered to be nouns, okay? They are all nouns. Now, help me out to identify each picture. So for the first picture, what can you see? Thing or an animal, my dear student? What do you think? I can see a white sheep. So what do you think? It is an animal. Very good. A sheep is an animal. Very good. Excellent. How about the second? I have a park. I have a park or a garden. What do you think? Is it a place or a thing? It is definitely a place. Very good. It is a place. Excellent. Excellent. Now, how about this picture? What do you think? What can you see? A person or an animal? What do you think? I can see a person. Very good. I can see a person. How about the next one? What can you see? Is it a place or a person? A hospital is a place. Very good. It is a place. Very good. Very good. Now, I have 4 pictures. Let's start with the first one. I can see a huge screen. Is it a thing or a person? What do you think? It is definitely a thing. Very good. Next one I have a a girl, place, person. It's a person. Very good. I have this huge bear. What do you think? An animal or a thing? It's definitely an animal. Last one, I have a mug. Is it a person or a thing? It is a thing. Very good. It's a thing. Now, try to identify or choose. I have school, I have a doctor, and I have a cake. Let's pick person, place, or thing. For the first one, a school is, it is a place. Very good. A school is a place. Excellent. Next one, I have a doctor. A doctor is, what do you think? Person, place, or thing? It is a person. Very good. Last one, I have a cake. A cake is a thing. Very good. It is a thing. Same here. Girl, kangaroo, and the zoo. A girl is a person. Very good. A girl is a person. Kangaroo is a thing or an animal. Very good. And the last place or the last thing is a place because it is a zoo. Very good. Same here. As you can see, I have a baker, a globe, black buck, airport, cow, baseball, beach, and a judge. Okay? And I have 4 categories here. I have person, things, places, and animals. Okay? Let's start with the baker. What do you think? A baker is very good. A person. Very good. A baker is a person. How about the globe? How about the globe? What do you think? The globe is thing. Very good. A thing. How about the black buck? Sorry, I have the airport first. The airport is a place. The black buck is an animal. Very good. Let's move to the next one. I have a cow. What do you think? I have a judge, which is a person. I have a cow. That's an animal. A baseball. That's a thing. A beach. That is a place. Very good, my dear students. So let's read our categories one more time. For person, we name baker and judge. For things, we name globe, baseball. For places, we have beach and airport. For animals, I have black buck and a cow. Very good. So what have we learned in this lesson, my dear students? We were able to practice spelling the words, how to choose or pick letters, random letters, and make words out of them. Also, we were able to differentiate between different kind of nouns, and we practice handwriting. I highly encourage you to do this from time to time. So that was my activities, my dear student. Until I see you next time, stay safe. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.